Hello and welcome. There was an amendment to Section 43B of the Income Tax Act, wherein a new clause H has been introduced. And if payment is not made to the supplier of goods or services within the specified time limit given under the MSMED Act, and still as on 31st of March such amount is outstanding, then Section 43B clause H will be attracted. The main catch point here is the supplier should be an MSME registered, and the supplier should be a micro or small enterprise as per the MSME Act. Now, let us say an enterprise has procured goods from a supplier, and the supplier states that he is registered with MSME. Now, how can this SSE examine or check whether the supplier is MSME registered? And if the supplier is MSME registered, what is the classification? Is it a micro enterprise or a small enterprise? How to find out? For this, there are certain ways and means. Of course, these days, some of the suppliers are mentioning their Udyam registration in the invoice itself. Now, if you have the Udyam registration of the supplier with you, it will be very easy. Now, you may go into the web browser and you search for Udyam registration search. Now, you have a web page called Udyam Verify. Now, what you need to do is you need to first of all have the registration number, Udyam registration number of the entity. In this example, let us take the example of RK Nitta and Co. And the registration number is which has been copied by me. And now let me paste it in the Udyam registration reference number. And then you give the captcha code RPU 9D2 and click on verify. Now here the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises webpage will display the details of the Udyam registration number which you have keyed in. Now as per this website, this RK Nitta and Co is classified in the year 2023-24 on 30th of May 2023, and this enterprise is classified as micro enterprise. And the address of the enterprise is also displayed, and what is the service or product in which the enterprise is dealing, the NIC code is also available for your verification. Now this is one of the way in which you can find out whether your supplier is a MSME registered, and if the enterprise is supplier is MSME registered, what is the classification. Now let us say in certain situations, you may not have the registration number of the supplier, MSME registration number of the supplier. In that case, you may ask your supplier to provide the Udyam registration certificate or at least provide with the registration number. Now, if even in such case also you do not have the number, then you have another link, search MSME units. You click on that. You very well know the address of your supplier which will be available on the invoice itself. Now you need to select the state of your supplier as well as a district. Now let me take in this example, the district is NTR district, and what is the product dealt with? Let us say this is profession. This is profession and click on search. The search box has given the results that there are 248 MSME registered units with NIC code of other professional, scientific and technical activities. Now you go and click on the count. Then all these registered people will be displayed. Now in this, you search for the previous enterprise which we have searched. Now it is stating that no records, matching records are found, or maybe we need to give the full description and then click search. No records are found. Even now also no records are found. Actually, as per the Udyam registration verification, this entity is already registered. Let me browse through the web page and find out whether I can trace this RK Nitta and Co. Yes, RK Nitta and Co. name appears in the list of professionals MSME registered. However, in this type of search, we may not be able to check whether this enterprise is a micro or a small enterprise. However, at least we will know the fact that enterprise is registered with MSME. If you have the Udyam registration number, you will get the full details also. Hope this bit of information will be helpful for you in compliance with the Section 43B Clause H of the Income Tax Act, which has been amended by Finance Act 2023. Thanks for watching. See you next time.